we're here. We want to install some CCTV cameras. These are PTZ cameras, as you can see. Redefine Smart Tech is doing this. And so this is actually a customized pole, as you can see here. This is a customized pole with a foundation bolt. We're going to put it in here. So this is actually going to see this compound this way over there, and then it's going to see the other part. That's the idea. So whoever is coming from that part or this part is going to be monitored by this device. Okay, we're about to unpack the camera so you can see what is inside. We have a black beast camera here, and the black beast camera is basically to correspond with the black pole over there. So that's the black beast. Let me see that. So that's a 360 camera PTZ with a solar panel. Let's see the solar panel. With a solar panel. So the solar panel charges the battery. Let's see the battery in the park, inside the park there. So you see the battery. These are lithium battery, 3.7 volts. It's going to be installed inside that panel, and it will give the camera footage even at night, so you can view. And these are LED lights that can come up whenever there is an emergency or there's a human coming close to the camera at night. So the battery systems are being installed into the panel, so it could be charged. 3.7 volt battery, made in Korea. So that's the foundation bolt. Black angel stuff. After the fabrication, we did the fabrication and installed the camera.